with you, baby, but I gotta do me first. I know you like it when we're loving, and I know that it hurts when it's all said and done. At the end of the day, I've already had my fun, so there's nothing left to say. As long as I coulda, didn't tell you things that I probably shoulda. Things were going great from the moment that we hooked up. Now your head is down and I need you to look up. Not cause I hate you, I really wanna date you. And just know, nobody can replace you. Not trying to break you, I just wanna make you see the things that I never do for me. Friends telling you to forget me, now they got you wishing that you never met me. In a few years I'll be back if you let me. And when I'm on the road, it's okay if you text me. If you can't stand it, feel like I planned it.